Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wells Fargo Autopay for insurance bills, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Wells Fargo website. Log into your Wells Fargo account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section from the home page. Find the insurance account for which you want to set up Autopay. Click on the account to access its details. Look for the Payments option located in the menu or on the account summary page. Select Set up Autopay from the available payment options. You may need to verify your identity through a security step, such as a text message or email verification. Choose the payment amount you wish to set for Autopay. Decide whether to set the payment to occur on the due date or a few days earlier. Enter the bank account information from which payments will be deducted, if prompted. Review the terms and conditions for Autopay and make sure you understand them. Once you're ready, click Confirm to activate Autopay for your insurance bills. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that Autopay has been successfully set up. Make sure to monitor your account statements regularly for any changes or updates. If you need to make adjustments or cancel Autopay, return to the Payments section and follow the prompts. Always keep your contact information updated to receive notifications about your Autopay status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.